I'm going to be grinding coffee this evening, and I'm going to be using the Ninja coffee and spice grinder attachment. This is a 12 tablespoon capacity here, and it's for the Ninja model BL490, 640, 680. The machine I have is this one. That is a BL487T. This is the Ninja Pro. And you see here, Ninja Pro. This attachment works with that as well. These are the beans that I'm going to be using. These are whole beans. And we're going to grind up some beans. One thing I do have to mention on here, that on this particular model, you see those numbers back there. You see that 150 mil? Somewhere right there. This works better when there's a lot of beans in there. They would rise up and tumble down. You're gonna see that when I actually start grinding the beans. You'll see it come up and fold down. Before I get to the actual grinding, I be posting some of this on Twitter, and I would always find these little attachments at bargain prices. And you wouldn't believe that I paid $12 for this. And I was in a store and I saw it. I was like, $12? You couldn't beat that. And I be posting these prices on Twitter, and people say, oh no, you don't find those at those bargains. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I find them at those bargain prices, and a lot of stuff that you see, I get at bargain prices. But I had to show you all that before I grind these things.